Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is me Gaurav Viswa, founder of TechWorks IT Solutions. So in today's video I am going to tell you about the new opportunities, two new opportunities which is come from TCS. And if you are new to my channel, so please do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get the regular update regarding the courses and the placement, because the placement season is going to be started from the November. So please do that if you are looking for a job or internship or training or any other certified courses. So let's start the video. So I'm going to tell you about the TCS opportunities which is for the smart hiring for the batch of 2020, 2021 and 2022. The link in the description box from which you can apply. So how to apply I will tell you further. Now let's talk about that what are the steps followed by you for applying the TCS Smart Hiring program. You have to log on to TCS Next Portal first, and if you don't have any ID, so first of all do register yourself at TCS Next Step portal. Now go to apply for Drive if you have already make your profile over the TCS Next Step portal. And from tracker application, what you will get that you have applied or not. Okay, so this is opportunity for the BCA, BSc Math, Science, Statics, Physics, Chemistry, Electronics, Biochemistry, Computer Science, IT, Bachelor of VOCA in CSIT from the year of passing 2020, 2021 and 2022. So what you have to keep in mind before applying, that you don't have any pending backlogs. Must clear your pending backlog before applying to it. So let's talk about the registration end date, which will end date on to October 2021. So please, if you are watching my video today, so go on the official website of this. So how, from where you will get the official website, I am telling you. Just wait a minute guys, I'm telling you that from where you will get. Yeah, so at last you will see that there is a click here to apply button link. So you have to click here, so you will redirect it to the official website of TCS Smart Hiring. So you have to click on register now, as I earlier told you that you have to register yourself if you don't have any ID. If you have any ID, so log on to TCS Next portal, and that here is my login ID and password. If you are looking for any help, so you can mail me over the mail you see on the portal. Now apply for Drive. So when I click apply for Drive, so it shows you have applied for the recruitment drive. When I click on track my application, so apply Drive with my date and time, it shows. Okay, now let's talk about the exam date. So when will be the exam date? If you are looking for the exam date, so exam date must be on 19th November 2021. Two modes are here to give the exam. One is remote, from home you can also give the test, but I suggest you to give the test from in center mode. Okay, and if you are looking for any type of mentorship, free mentorship, test series, if you are looking for test series which you get in 29 rupees only, it's a Diwali offer from techworksitsolutions.com. You have to download the app. For downloading the app, you get the link in the description box. Now I'm going to talk about the next opportunity from TCS itself, and it is for the YOP 2020 and 2020 phase 2. So the registration in date for this is 15th November 2021. Before, if you are looking my video, if you are watching my video today, so go on the official website. How to go on the official website? Come down and click here to apply. Click here to apply. So before that, I'm going to talk about that for this who can apply. BE, BTech, ME, MTech, no BCA student are eligible for applying. Okay, must ensure that before applying. If you are BCA student, so when you click on apply for Drive, so it can't show there. So must remember before applying it. This is only for the BE, BTech, ME, MTech, MCA, MSc from the year of passing 2020 and 2021. So for all the TCS exam, I am preparing the test series which you will get in 29 rupees, because as I earlier told you, this is the Diwali offer. After Diwali, the test price will be at 99 rupees to 49 rupees. So it suits your pocket, and I know very well that you will easily buy the test series, and it's for the lifetime. If you got any type of update, so you will already got the update in our app, so no need to buy more time. You have to buy a single time, then you will get for the lifetime access. Now what are the process, as I earlier told you in the previous opportunities, which is from the TCS Smart Hiring. Now in this, what you have to do is you have to do the same process, you have to follow up the same process. Log on to the TCS Next portal, again register and apply TCS Off Campus hiring process. So click here to apply, you have to click here to apply button. So you very directed to the official website of TCS Off Campus for YOP 2020 and 2021 phase 2. So if you are looking for registration open, it's already the registration open, so you guys can do the same. Okay, so I click here to log out. If you have any doubt, I have put one email ID as a help desk, so you will also take the help from me. Otherwise what you have to do is you have to go to here. I will also provide you the test pattern. So here what you will get, the test pattern is numerical ability. Time for the numerical ability to solve the question is 40 minutes, verbal ability 30 minutes, reasoning ability 50 minutes, total 120 minutes. And you have two part B, which is of 180 minutes. Okay, so must read the test eligibility, from where you got to know about that what are the terms and agreements from the TCS before applying it. So if you have any doubts, so you can go to important notes. At the important notes, at very last, help desk is there, so you can get connected with the TCS support team and they will help you out definitely. And if you are looking for the personal help, so I will help you. Mail me over techworksitsolutions@gmail.com, or you can also go to my website here. What you have to do is you have to go to contact us page. So from contact us page you will got all the related things related to me. So if you are looking for any mentorship program, you are free to do. And if you are new to my channel, what you have to do is you have to subscribe my channel, like my videos and share these videos, because as this is the best opportunity for all those who are looking for the job. Okay guys, thank you, have a good day.